There's my inside boy Junior. Chilling in this spot. Everybody's outside. I'm in bed, comfortable. Chilling like a good inside rooster. Yep, that's my bed. Hopefully they don't scare you this time. He only took a couple steps and came right back last time. Oh. Well, good job. Okay, we're all out here. Not all of us, but see, there's the first coat. And I put another coat on this side. I don't know if I uploaded the first video, but you see them bottom four boards are rough looking while the other ones ain't. That's obviously that's where I stopped. But over here, that's as far as I could reach off the porch. We had scaffolding going across the top, that's why I could get it beforehand, but you can see where I kind of went boo and got what I could. But I'm gonna have to get a ladder and go up and do that. But you see how the stains coming through? That's only 2 coats of primer though. And then bottom unfinished across ones. These got a bunch of paint coats, but I don't think you put primer on first. That's why I'm going back over everything with primer. And then I gotta go over there and get the rest of that. Kind of like I did that, and get ladders on each side and finish painting that. And then we're gonna redo the roof right there and the porch and everything. And then paint the bottom part and fix all that. So yeah, a little progress. But you see how the stains coming back through a little bit on these 2 boards right there? Might have to hit those again, but I don't know if they're gonna make it stand out, you know, above the rest, just cause another coat, cause the coat is a lot, you can see over there. So I don't know, we'll see if I don't recoat the whole thing. Gotta finish them bottom 4 and we'll go from there. As y'all see, it's not a yard full of chickens anymore. Something's devastating them all. There's one. Ain't that right, Junebug? That's my boy. He's an inside chicken now.